said, oh.
That's what you say when most people...
Oh.
I thought she was really going to take a step for it.
They might take it on my chairs, but I can still sit.
It's like a straw in the middle and your spit's coming up through it.
Nice.
It's not.
Why are you sucking on it? Don't suck on it.
You hold it. No, don't let her touch it.
It helped the warmer.
He'll learn.
Yeah, that was David's jacket.
What do you got, Isabel? What is that? Ooh.
I like how she looks up in your eyes like she does.
You just gotta watch her because she'll bite down on it and steal it from you.
Okay, ready? Stand up and walk over here if you want it that bad.
Yeah, fall into it. Be careful.
The first time.
I did too.
She's
Here,
like,
here,
I'm
let me help
crawling.
ya.
That's the fastest.
Let me help you.
I just stuck it in here.
Go get him.
Oh, she's too excited. She can't even stand up. She's like, I heard the word baby. They're talking to me.
Talking to that bad puppy.
You know what she told me?
Mm.
You get more candy cane? Eat what?
I looked at you and I said,
Eat what?
"Man." But I was going to say, come to me around midnight.
She's so funny. If you start giggling while she's doing it, she'll start laughing really hard. She can't
So
do
long.
it.
Here,
Uh-oh.
Where'd
candy
it
cane kiss.
go?
Candy cane kiss.
Oh. Where'd it go?
Aw.
She's looking in your hands. It's not in there. She's like, where is it? I know you've got it.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Daddy's got it.
She's saying thank you? Or she's saying
I don't
it's
know
good?
what she's saying. She says, it sounds like she's saying eat and then thank you. Eat.
Eat good?
All gone.